Hey guys, Brice with Financial Strategies Group here. I'm coming at you with another education moment with special guest Ed Constable, who's a real estate investor and a realtor. Say hi, Ed.
How you guys doing?
So I brought Ed on because I wanted to talk about some tips when it comes to getting into real estate for an investment or for income. So Ed, what are some things that you should do if you're looking to get into real estate investing for maybe a side hustle or some extra income?
Well, it's either you need to do it or not do it. If you actually want to do it, I think you need to find a real estate mentor, someone that's a successful real estate investor themselves, not necessarily someone that just has rental houses, because if they made all their money in some other business and then put it into rental houses, they may or may not be running those properly. Whereas if you find somebody that's actually a full-time real estate investor, this is how they make their living, it might make a much better mentor.
So learn from people that have been there and done it.
Yes.
Don't make the first mistakes yourself.
Yes, you got it.
So what are some things not to do when you're looking into getting into real estate? I know a lot of people try to buy, one rental house and see how it goes.
Yeah. I think one of the biggest mistakes people make is, they buy something because they think it's a good deal. They're like, homes in this neighborhood are selling for 200 grand. The duplex must be worth 300. It's two houses in one.
Well, that seems like it makes sense. Yeah.
Logically, it kind of makes sense. The problem is with multifamily properties, they come with many more expenses that single families don't come with. And the expenses outweigh the benefits a lot of times.
So as a rule of thumb, as getting started, should you avoid multi-family units and stick to single household units?
As a rule, I would say probably yes, if you can buy the houses at a price point that makes sense.
Okay.
There's a lot of benefits to single family homes. One of them being you don't have to mow the lawn. You don't have to pay the water bill. You don't have to worry about snow removal. There's all those little things that a lot of homeowners would take care of if they were renting a single family home that they're going to expect the owner to if it's a multi-unit.
So I'm guessing these types of things and a lot of other things we don't have time to discuss today are probably available through some different resources. What are some resources people can look into if they're looking into this?
Well, in Genesee County, we have the local landlord association, GeneseeLandlordAssoc.org. And then also there's Bigger Pockets, and I think Mr. Landlord also has some great information online.
So the point would be, look at the free resources, treat it like a business, and make sure you're ready to handle the headaches that are going to come along with it, because headaches come along with every business, right?
Yeah. And people are like, well, I'm just going to hire a management company.
Yeah.
Well, they make all these mistakes. One, they overpay for the unit. Second thing, then they hire a management company. The management company, a lot of times, do not treat it like it's their own house. So they don't take care of those little $5 and $10 things over a time period. And then the management company, a lot of times they take 10% of the rents. So now you overpaid. Now you're giving up 10% of your income.
So it makes it even worse. Margins. Yeah. Well, those are some great tips.
Yep.
Thanks for coming along, Ed. EdConstable.com with Real Living Tremaine Real Estate.